Hey guys, it's time to upgrade your car with some truly impressive gadgets. We're sure you've considered a functional mirror screen, cool socks, and a cleaning tool for your trusty steed. But forget about your smartphone because we've got something with a light touch of nostalgia. All product links are provided in the description box, so let's get started. Lexus Digital Side View Monitors. In 2018, Toyota's premium division unveiled the world's first digital side view monitors. These monitors, like their conventional counterparts, give views of the car's back, left and right, but unlike traditional mirrors, they are fully digital. When the driver selects reverse gear or utilizes turn indicators, the technology employs cameras to replace traditional side vision mirrors. The camera provides an enlarged vision that removes blind spots, allowing the driver to make safer maneuvers. In comparison to genuine mirrors, sight at night is also much improved. If you don't have a spacious and convenient coat hanger in your car, this is the one for you. The clean wood style will go with any interior. The hanger is over 18 inches wide, making it appropriate for all sizes of coats and jackets. It effortlessly connects to the detachable headrest with metal supports. Unlike lesser hangers, this one keeps your jacket shoulders in place and is sturdy enough to accommodate many coats or jackets at once, freeing up at least one of your passenger seats. Huddly Wireless. If your car doesn't have a futuristic display projected onto the windscreen and you want the technology but don't have the funds, Huddly Wireless might be the solution. Music. Began as a Kickstarter campaign in Indiegogo campaigns, Huddly Wireless is a standalone device that can connect wirelessly to your smartphone and mirror whatever image is on the screen. The idea is to allow you to see navigational apps on your windscreen without taking your eyes off the road. But the system also allows you to project other content such as photos and videos. The Eco Auto is the device that finally delivers Alexa to your automobile. With 8 built-in microphones, this device will always hear you despite road noise, music, and other distractions. The device is quite tiny and can be easily mounted to the air vent. Overall, setting it up is only a matter of minutes. You must connect the Echo to a USB and aux port so it can utilize your car speakers, then simply couple it with your smartphone using the Alexa app. Maybe being trapped in traffic isn't that bad after all. Multi-tools were mentioned by someone. One item that springs to mind is a Leatherman, or anything commonly known as a Swiss Army knife. However, there is another form of multi-tool that is strong enough to smash up a vehicle window. This multi-tool is known as carry. Actually quite large, but it has to be that way because there is an 8000 mAh battery inside capable of jump-starting your car as long as it has at least 50% charge left. Since this is a multi-tool, other items such as a hammer are neatly concealed within the solid metal cylindrical shape. Seatbelt cutter, SOS flasher, compass, burglar alarm, and of course, USB charger. This is something you'll always require. Even if you didn't realize it, the horror of cleaning dust inside your car is now over. This cleaning gel's unusual texture readily goes into all the nooks and crannies such as vents, cup holders, and other crevices. Simply apply the gel to the surface, roll it about a little, then gently peel it away. It's that simple. The piece may appear to be too little, but in fact stretches to more than 9 inches, ensuring that the gel does not adhere to your hands. Each piece can be used several times before the color fades. There are 4 of them in the package, each with a different hue and scent: blueberry, grape, strawberry, and lemon. I'm sure this is true. Solar backup camera from Autovox. Even if your car isn't solar powered, the backup camera inside is. Music. Autovox is the world's first smart parking gadget. It is simple to install with only 2 security screws and no tools required. To prevent any mishaps, it immediately starts when it detects your car backing up. In addition to the camera itself, the solar wireless backup camera from Autovox comes with a 2800 mAh battery that will automatically recharge each time it is exposed to direct sunshine. The system includes a 5-inch display, suction cup charger cords, remote control, and user manual. This is the one to start with if you've always wanted to have an old-fashioned radio transceiver in your car, as it's intended exclusively for amateurs. The device is really small and simple to set up, and it comes with a lengthy power connection and a replaceable faceplate. For amateur radio, the frequency range is rather broad. The tuner is compatible with both VHF and UHF frequencies, and the big and ergonomic tuning dial allows for an easy and accurate changeover. The palm-sized hand microphone is coupled to a reasonably long cable with either 2 or 4 kHz steps, and due to the DSP noise reduction, your speech sounds as clean as possible. You may also customize the radio with a variety of accessories and tuners until the Rode Viva Pro, which is more than simply an adapter. USB ports linked to your car's 12-volt power outlet have never been genuinely high-tech beyond quick charging and many compatibilities. This dongle has Alexa functionality, which means it can detect your voice and give commands to your phone. Once linked to your phone via the Rode Viva app loaded on your Android or iPhone, the dongle may control the phone to access maps, open the web, play music, make phone calls, send messages, and pretty much anything else you ask for. And of course, you can utilize the features while simultaneously recharging your phone. This colorful and quirky cup holder attachment will brighten up your car's interior. It's a whole new way to flaunt your favorite automobile manufacturer. The lights support a variety of 7 bright colors, along with different lighting modes. You can easily switch them with the built-in buttons. The special sensor automatically turns on the light when it senses vibration, and when there is no movement, it simply turns off. Another crucial feature for a coaster, its absolutely beautiful glow in the dark. You may use it for up to 15 days with only one charge. Wheel nut that locks forward. Ford started working with an industrial 3D printing provider called EOS in January 2020 to build locking nuts. This may seem like a wasteful idea until you realize that the goal is to analyze the driver's voice and turn it into a biometric identification in order to create the physical pattern of vehicle locking lugs. After the identification process is done, the design is 3D printed using corrosion and acid-resistant stainless steel, and the driver may acquire a kit containing a set of wheel nuts and a specific tool to screw and unscrew them. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of cool tech gadgets and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of gadgets and inventions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.